Hey Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I hope that you love this gorgeous flamingo mani as much as I do. I'm going to take you through the real simple steps to achieve it. So you want to get a no wipe gel top coat, apply it over the nail and cure it in your lamp. The times are on screen. And then you want to have this absolutely stunning powder from Magpie. It's like unicorn clouds in a jar. It's so gorgeous. And I mean, look how beautiful it looks over the black glove, but when you apply it over a white base, you have this gorgeous sort of mermaid unicorn chrome look, which color shifts in the different lights. It is really, really pretty, and it has like a pinky glow to it. So I'm not putting the whole nail with the top coat. I'm going basically from the top of the nail sort of halfway down, sort of dragging it with a fan brush, because I wanted it to be a bit more of a staggered line as opposed to like a sharp line. And basically the powder will only stick to where you've put the no wipe top coat. Then you want to seal all that in with your favourite top coat. If you're using a gel one, obviously you'll need to cure it in your lamp. So I'm using these beautiful water decals. I actually found these off eBay. I will provide the links in the description box below on where you can get these. And I also got the inspiration from it as well, like the design that they chose to, you know, represent these water decals. It's sort of like blinking it up, and I really like the look. So that's where I got the inspiration from. Then place the decals that you want to use in the water for about 5 to 10 seconds. They should peel off really easily. Just get some tweezers so you can see it's a clear decal, so which I was really happy with, because you're going to still see the sort of blue coming through. And I think because it goes over that blue base and there's a bit of blue detail, like watery detail, I just think that looked so beautiful together. So once you have it where you want it, just get rid of the excess with some kitchen towel, just sort of push down, and that's it. Then it lies really nice and flat. So these are really nice to work with. You can barely see any wrinkles or see that it's a water decal. I was really, really pleased with how these turned out. And then just to add a little bit more bling, I'm just adding some nail glue and putting some rhinestones on some of the decals. Then on the other nails, I'm going to be applying some loose glitter around the stickers. So I don't know the name of this. I got this ages ago. I don't even know if GlitterArty still sell it. But this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. It's kind of got like pastel-y colours and hollow glitters in it as well. So I'm just picking out the different sort of effects that I want and sort of placing them around the stickers. So then once you're happy, you want to go ahead and cure that in your lamp, and then apply a final layer of top coat, and your mani is all done. And I just thought this looked so beautiful together. It was so simple but so striking. I would love to know your thoughts on this mani. If you want to recreate it, I would love to see them, and I'll share your recreations in my Instagram stories. But please let me know your thoughts on this mani. Would you wear it? How much do you love it? Give me some feedback. I'd really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please press that free subscribe button and press the notifications bell as well, so you never miss an upload. So that is all from me today, Jelly Babes. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.